With the mission to engage Bronx high school students into the world of artistry, the BxArts Factory created the hands-on experimental 7-week experience, Think, Create, Share Lab.
We started this pilot program that is Think, Create, Share Lab, and we had high school students that are very interested in arts, but they don't have the access to like private teachers or people that is going to help them put together a portfolio.
The free program served as an opportunity for Bronx students to further explore their artistic side, a journey that can be difficult with limited resources.
I was just able to kind of just work on whatever, I wanted to do, experiment with different things, because that's kind of what I wanted to do here, because I don't have like a lot of access to a lot of materials like paint or whatever, so over here I got the chance to, explore different things.
The students were in for a surprise when they realized they would be taking their art to the next level.
They've done paper, they've done painting, they've done sculpture, but working big scale is completely different.
The kids of BxArts Factory Think, Create, Share Lab were granted the opportunity to create a mural for the new BronxNet studios coming to the South Bronx, a new learning experience they're looking forward to.
I'm just basically looking forward to this project, considering that I haven't really worked on something this big before, so it's going to be the first time, and I'm really excited.
To learn more about the BxArts Factory, you can visit their website, bronxartfactory.org. Reporting for BronxNet, Kib and Aline.